opening this Barbie bathtub set. It comes with a tub and it comes with a sink, and I think that's a laundry basket. I don't know.
I think it's for the towel.
Okay, let's see. And there's a rubber ducky sponge, I think. And there's some soap. And there's some soap, and there's a brush to brush your hair.
I think that's
or your body
or your hair.
Yeah. And that's what we have in the set.
Okay, I guess we should unbox the set.
You open it like this. There. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this looks cool. Let's take it out. Okay. Oh, I think we need to put it like that.
Yeah, can you help?
Whoa, that's so cool. Okay, let's take it.
Look right over here.
We have some things.
Ooh, this towel's so soft.
Okay, let's get the scissors and unbox the doll first.
Okay, let's see. I don't want to cut her hair. I'm trying to be so careful. Okay, that's too hard to start with. Let's start off and try to take out these utensils.
That's easy.
Okay. So we do not want to break the background because we need it for some of our skits too. Okay, let's see. Maybe I can try to take it out.
Oh, there's sink.
Oh, I think I got it out. Okay, let's take out the bath things.
Pop it out.
Oh, I think we need scissors.
And like something stuck on.
There's tape.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
And this one out. So these are really cool. This one.
So we have a brush for your body. I think this is some cream. I don't really know what this one is.
It's a sponge.
It's a sponge. Okay. Okay, let's see what else there is in the set.
So let's unbox this.
See what there is. There's.
Okay, you can take out the bathtub now.
Ooh, it looks very pretty. It's pink.
Ooh, I think you can stick these two on.
Ooh, that's
the rubber. Or the sponge, sorry. Okay, now let's unbox the basket. There. So here's the basket.
It looks very cute. Oh, pink. It's like for Barbie's favorite color.
Oh, this is stuck in here.
It's very cool. Oh, you could put some things in here. I didn't notice that before. Oh, you could just put some things here.
Let's unbox the doll. I don't want to break it, so I'm being really careful.
That is very pretty and hot pink.
Well, oh, I unboxed half of the doll.
And there's some there.
And there, let's take out the doll.
Let's take out her. I'm very happy.
Oh, I think there's a rubber at her top.
Or there's something on her back.
No, her head. Let me try to see. Oh, you gotta cut it. Okay,
I don't want to cut her hair. Don't cut her hair. Please don't.
Oh, I think. Oh, okay, I'm so scared. I want to cut half of her hair off. So we finally got the girl of the dollhouse. Oh, I think we accidentally cut her hair. Okay, forget it. So this is the doll that came in the set. Let's put her in the bathtub.
And it perfectly fits.
Except for her hand, okay.
I'm gonna take a shower. I love to take showers, but I have my clothes on.
Okay, I don't care. And then,
okay, let's take out a towel on this.
Yep, so I think the towel is a little harder, so let's check if we can take this one out. I think you gotta like,
what do you do?
I think you gotta cut the back. I don't know if it's that easy for me, but I'll try.
Okay, let's see.
Is there any like rubber thingy at the back? Oh, I can see one.
Oh, there.
Oh, and there's some. Oh, there. Okay, and there's one more at the bottom.
Yeah.
Hey, move. Okay, fine. I won't bother you.
Here.
Let's put it there for right now.
There.
Okay, and whoops. Oh, I think I can see something at the bottom. What is it? I think it's a part for this piece. Okay, so let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hard to take out.
It's very hard.
So we finally got it out, and then my sister's just putting the last bit on.
Very hard.
Okay.
Let's see.
I think you gotta fit the holes that are there in the dots.
Let's see.
Oh, I'm doing it wrong.
Oh.
Can I see this? So here are the holes in there. I don't think you can see them. Oh, here. Okay, let me try to fit this. I think I'm doing it the wrong way. Let me check my piece. Okay.
It's very, very hard.
Okay, so we finally put these on. Now we're gonna put the towel on it.
Okay, let's put this in.
There we go. And here is a top for your sink, and then a bowl for the sink, for your sink, of course. And then here's a picture of a toothbrush and some toothpaste right over there. And there's also a drawer,
A beautiful pink one.
and a mirror. You can see my hand. Can't you? Okay, you can't. And here how it looks. And the bathtub too. And I love how this is pink, see-through.
And it's also looks so pretty because it's hot pink with lots of accessories. And I love the doll too. I really like her towel that she's wearing. It's pink and I think that's yellow. Yeah, yellow. And we also have the basket, and she's gonna take a good bath when she's done with her stuff. And now she's back. So she's gonna take her scrub and scrub, 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 scrub. Scrubby, scrubby, scrub, scrub, scrub.
Thanks for
watching, guys. Bye.
Subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more videos.